Before you begin, remove the access panel. Removal. Important. Make careful note of the routing of the fan cable for later replacement. Disconnect the fan connector from the motherboard. Remove the fan cable from the routing channel on the heatsink. Rotate the front edge of the fan off of the alignment pins and slide the fan posts out of the cutouts in the chassis and heatsink. Replacement. Slide the fan posts into the slots in the chassis and heatsink and lower the front edge of the fan onto the alignment pins. Connect the fan into the connector on the motherboard. Route the fan cable through the routing channel on the heatsink.